It surely make me feel like a win. Even if I got out of it, even if you go miles away, I'll be on the road right away.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my segment Homegirl Vanity, and hello to all the new homegirls. How you doing? I see you. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. So in the previous video I taught you guys what tools you need to use when doing makeup and how to use those tools. So in this video I thought, why don't I teach y'all how to get a glowy natural makeup look in this video? It just made sense. So I figured we would make this video today, and that's what we're gonna do. Now I'm gonna stop rambling so we can get right on into the video. Let's go. So first I'm gonna be taking my primer to protect my skin under my foundation, and I'm gonna brush on my brows and do those off camera because it's hard. It's hard to do. Then I'm going to take my concealer and cover all my dark spots and blemishes because, girl, we do not want that peeping through our foundation, especially with the look I'm trying to go for. So I'm just going to do that and cover everything, including my mustache that refuses to go away. And then I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend all of that product out. We don't want that peeping through our foundation, so we blend it in like that. Now I'm going to take my foundation and I'm going to tap this all on my arm or on my hand so that it can warm up the product so that it can easily apply to my skin. It just warms it up, makes it all warm, and then it's easier to blend out on the skin. Then I'm going to blend it out with the beauty blender. Make sure you're tapping your foundation, never rub, because once you rub, it could irritate your skin. So I would highly recommend just to tap the foundation into your skin. It's easier application also. So tap it, girl. Don't rub it. And make sure you tap it into your brows so that it can blend everywhere around your face. Don't miss them brows, girl. Don't get scared. You can blend it in front of your brows. It's all right. Then take your concealer and put it under your eyes, you know, your cupid's bow, your chin. And that is just to brighten up the T-zone area of your face. Once again, I got to cover my freaking mustache. Then blend that out. And then you want to take some powder and set it everywhere you put the concealer, you put the powder. Remember that. And then you want to take your fluffy brush just to get rid of the product. Oh, it's also okay for you to have little casts there. That's all right. You'll eventually blend that out anyway, so don't worry about it. Don't be alarmed. Then you want to also get your powder, your same color skin tone powder, and you want to set all over your face. Just to blend, and everything is just looking flawless. That's also the #1 key, just so y'all know. Just blend it out, girlfriend. And then you want to take your bronzer and you just want to bronze the outer points of your face just to give you that bronze look. I don't know what to call it. You're getting a bronze look, girl. Then you want to take your fluffy eyeshadow brush and you want to pack the color all over your lid. Because I decided to be extra and do a glossy eye. I hope it comes out right. We'll just see at the end of this video. All the products that I use will be listed down below in the description box. So check that out, girl. Then after that step, there's that. You want to take your rose water. Well, I use rose water to set my face. And then I like to pat the product in just to make sure everything is set and smooth all over. And take that foundation off your lip, girl. Then I'm going to line my lips to make sure I get that brown all inside my lips because that's just the look I'm going for. I think brown is such a natural color. Just go with that first. If you're scared to use anything else, use brown. Then I'm going to put on some lip gloss. I never tried this lip gloss before, but I love the way that it applied. And it's like a nudish pink look.
Always go for that first. If you don't want to go bold, go natural. And then I'm going to take my highlight, which is my favorite part, just so we can glow from the heavens. Oh, look at that. Wow. Then I'm going to curl my eyelashes so they can be visible, because they're never visible when I don't. And there you have it.
Hey homegirls, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like this video. Let me know in the comments if you would like to learn more, or if you would like to see another look on this segment. Let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. There will be a big red button right there. You see that? Click on it, slam on it, and also don't forget the notification button right on the side so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, girl.
I just need to know you want me, if you want me.